What's up, guys?
Hi. Hello.
I'm Julia. Quinn, as I just got introduced, yeah. How beautiful is today? Holy moly, wow. Glad to be down at Noosa. Alright, so today I'm doing an original called Birdcage. So Birdcage is about a girl who's just gotten out of high school and she doesn't know what to do and she's kind of stuck, and she just sees like all her friends doing these big amazing things and got plans, and she's kind of stuck. So this is how it goes. And we're all birds trying to find the outside. Yeah, we're all birds trying to find the outside. And though we're wishing that we could be there too, but we're stuck here inside this small world. Yeah, we're all stuck inside this small world. And though we're thinking it's why we're so damn dry, but all it feels like we're stuck in a birdcage. Yeah, it feels like we're stuck in a birdcage. And as the months go by, our soul starts to die away. See the world from the inside. Yeah, we see the world from the inside. And now we're thinking it's why we're so damn trapped. But it feels like we're stuck in a birdcage. Yeah, it feels like we're stuck in a birdcage. And every month's go by, our soul starts to die away. And as we watch our friends climb them giant trees, and as we watch our friends climb them giant trees, and all we're thinking is that we could climb them too. And as the world goes by, we wonder why. And as the world goes by, we wonder why. And all we're thinking is why we're so damn trapped. But all it feels like we're stuck in a birdcage. Yeah, it feels like we're stuck in a birdcage. And everything we're trapped, but there's always a hatch to the sky.